Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to add a cryptocurrency payment system to your website. Now we've on this channel we've done a lot of cryptocurrency website and payment system, but this payment system is the most easiest way you can add a cryptocurrency to your website. Now let me show you how this thing works. So let's say I have a website, beautiful website like this over here, okay, and I provide some services, but I want to use WooCommerce to provide that services. So what I do is I create a WooCommerce shop for it, and then I add it to the menu over here, and then when somebody comes and go to shop over here, the person will be able to shop whatever thing that the person wants to shop. So I provide three services over here. I have this SEO, social media, and then web design services. So as you can see, we have the search engine optimization, the social media marketing, and then web design services. So now let's say somebody wants to patronize my web design services over here. What does the person do? The person just click on it, view more about whatever that the person wants to do. So if there are some notes and other stuff, the person can read through. If there are some ratings and other stuff, the person can also see all those ratings. Now the person can go ahead to click to add to cart, and then the product is added to cart. Now that the product is added to cart, the person can go ahead to proceed to checkout, to check out with the product. Now as you can see over here, I have, what do I have? I have web design service over here, and then the payment system is is a crypto payment system over here. So as you can see, I can go ahead now. If I enter all my details over here, I can go ahead to place the order. So if I go ahead to place the order, this is how it looks like for me. So as you can see, the amount to be paid in USD, and then you select the currency which is already selected already. Now what we're going to do is we have a time over here, time that it will expire. So as you can see, we have 01, that is almost 2 hours to expire. Okay, so if you don't pay within this time, this invoice will expire, and then you can select the the currency that you want to pay. So you select the currency or the network that you want to use to pay. So as you can see, you can pay with different cryptocurrency coins over here. So let's say I want to pay with BTC, so I can click on it, and then I can go ahead to click on pay. Now if I want to pay with, let's say Binance USD or BUSD, I can go ahead and then click on it. Now if I want to pay with, let's say I want to pay with a different thing like Ether or USDT, I can still go ahead, click on it, and then it will tell me to select my network. I can go ahead to select the kind of network that I want to use. So if I want to use the Ethereum network, or the Tron network, or the Polygon network, or whatever network that you want to use, you can select it, and then you can go ahead and then pay for it. But let's say I want to use BTC. Okay, so I click over here and I click on pay. Now what happened? It generates a QR code and a payment wallet address for me. Now I can copy this address, go to my blockchain wallet, and then pay from there, or I can scan using my blockchain app and then pay straight away from there. Now the moment you pay, what happens is that at the moment you pay the amount that you are supposed to pay, it will automatically redirect you to the confirmation order page, and then your order will be completed. So I am going to show you how you can be able to add this BTC payment or cryptocurrency payment onto your website. So if you are ready for it, let's go ahead and then start the tutorial. Now guys, before we even go ahead to start designing you need to start adding the payment system to our website, I want to show you where your payment will go. So before you can be able to add your payment, to add this payment system, the cryptocurrency payment system to your website, you need to create account with the people or the platform that we are going to use to add the payment system. So when you create your account, this is how it's going to be like. So you can have all your payment history over here, and then you can go ahead to send it to any, or transfer it to anywhere you want to transfer it to. So as you can see over here, this is the invoice, or this is the payment that I created, that I cancelled. Okay, as you can see, I can go ahead to check it. So I started the time that it will expire is over here, and then the date too is over here, and then the commission to be paid on that particular transfer. So as you can see, I use BTC over here, and then the order ID is also over here, and then the BTC wallet to be received in is this one over here. So this is the total amount, as you can see over here, is over here, and that is the same amount that we requested to be paid. So guys, this platform is one of the most easiest way you can use as a merchant, or as a for your personal wallet, or for any kind of wallet that you want to create in the cryptocurrency space. So I am going to start to show you how you can be able to create account over here, and then also to be able to go and then add it to your website over here. So let's jump into it. Okay guys, so to start adding the payment system to our website, first of all, what you need to have before you follow this tutorial is to have a website, and then on that website, make sure that you have WooCommerce installed, because this plugin that we are going to install works with WooCommerce. Okay, so make sure that you have WooCommerce installed on your website, and then you have a shop page set up for the installation process to go on. So we're gonna go over here. So as you can see, this is the back end of my website, and this is the plugin section. Now I have Elementor installed. I have the starter template, which I imported this beautiful template over here straight away within some few minutes. And then I also have WooCommerce installed over here, and then WP Forms Lite. So make sure that you have WooCommerce installed, okay, on your website, and this will help you to be able to add the plugin that we are going to add to add a cryptocurrency to our website. Now for those of you who don't know WooCommerce is a plugin that helps you to create a shop for yourself. Okay, so you want to create an e-shop or e-store or whatever thing that you call, you want to create an e-commerce website. WooCommerce helps you to create an e-commerce on your WordPress website. Okay, now so guys, let's get started. Now to be able to get the plugin that we're going to use, we're going to go to a plugin called Cryptomus. Okay, so cryptomus.com. So make sure that you have this website name written down, and then go over there. So just go to a new page and then type in Cryptomus, or you can even go to Google and then you search for Cryptomus. So as you can see, if I go to google.com and then I search for Cryptomus, now I'm going to get this one over here. So as you can see, cryptomus.com, crypto payments for business, crypto payment solution. Okay, so cryptomus.com over here, you can go over there. Okay, and that is where you're going to go. So just go over here, cryptomus.com, and then you're going to have you're going to have this beautiful website over here, as you can see. Now to accept payment on your website using Cryptomus, on WordPress, now scroll down, just scroll down. Okay, scroll down over here, just scroll down, and then you're gonna see Cryptomus e-commerce plugins. Okay, so that is what we're going to use, Cryptomus e-commerce plugins. Okay, so as you can see, we have PrestaShop, OpenCart, and then WooCommerce, and then you see over here more CMS. Okay, so we're gonna click on it, more CMS, and then you will see all the plugins to be downloaded over here. Okay, so it even works with WHM MCS. Okay, so that is it. So to be able to download the plugin, just click on this one which says download. Okay, now as you can see, it will automatically download for you. Okay, I've already downloaded a plugin, but as you can see, this is it. So when the plugin is downloaded, what else you need to do? Now go to your to your back end of the website. Now, so if you had a back end of your website, what we need to do is to click on add new over here. So just click on add new to add a new plugin to your website. Now, as you can see, this is the plugin directory over here, but we are not going to search. We are going to upload a plugin that we downloaded. So what we're going to do is just click on upload plugin and then click on choose file. So we're going to choose the file that we want. So this is the plugin that we downloaded. Okay, so we can just click on it and then click on open to to select the plugin to install, and then now click on install to install the plugin. So now that the plugin is installed, we need to activate the plugin. So we're gonna click on this blue button over here which says activate plugin. Okay guys, so our plugin is installed successfully. So as you can see, it is installed. Now we have to configure the plugin. So what we need to do is to click on configure over here. So it's gonna take us to this particular place over here. Now guys, as you can see, I already installed this plugin on this website and then I deleted it, so it still have all my details over here. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to remove this one over here and then remove this one over here, and I'm going to show you how you can be able to get the API key and then the merchant ID to be able to add this cryptocurrency payment system on your website. Now what you need to do is now when you open this particular page over here, now click on sign up over here. Okay, so if you don't have an account with them, just click on sign up. Okay, now the sign up process is very simple, sign up process. Now they have an email option, they have a phone number option, and then they also have you can sign up with either your is it Tron or something like that, and then also with Telegram. Okay, so each way you can be able to sign up. So there are so many sign up options for you to follow. Okay, just enter your email address and then the password and then click on create account. Now when you click on create account, they're going to send you a code. Okay, now go to your email address, copy the code, and then come and paste it in where you're supposed to paste the code, and then click on continue to be able to sign you up successfully. Now when you sign up successfully, you're gonna come to this page over here. Okay, so you're gonna have this dashboard, this very dashboard, which is a very new dashboard, personal dashboard for yourself. Okay, now because we're gonna use this particular wallet for our business wallet, it is not just a personal wallet. Okay, so we need to create a merchant wallet. Now guys, as you can see, you can receive, you can withdraw, you can transfer, you can convert. Okay, all these widgets are there for you to be able to use. Now if you go over here you can see all the settings that you're supposed to see over here. Okay, now you can also change this one from dark light mode to a dark mode. So if I click over here, I get a dark mode over here. If I click on this one also, I also get a light mode over here. Okay, now all your transactions will come over here. Okay, that is if you are using the personal wallet. Now as you can see over here, these are all the balances for your personal wallet. So all these coins are available for you. You can even show more over here. You can see all the list of coins which are available for you to receive money from. Okay, and that is it. Now guys, as you can see, we need an API key. That is, we need a merchant account. Okay, not just a personal account or a personal wallet. We need a merchant wallet. So if you scroll down over here, you can see this one. If it says issue invoices in cryptocurrency and accept payment on the on the website. Okay, so what you have to do is click on create merchant over here and then type in your merchant name. So I'm going to type in this name over here which says Buzuzu. Okay, or I can just type in Kitech. Okay, so let me just type in Kitech over here and then click on create. Now if you click on create, it will tell you to what, congrats, now you can accept payment via the link. So you can accept payment via the link, or you can accept payment what, by what, API key. Okay, so you can choose any of them to go ahead. Okay, so enable the code on the site. You need programming skills in blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's say we want to use this one. Now of course it's gonna be very simple, and then we can go ahead to connect the what, the API. So first merchant created, got it. Okay, so now you're gonna have what, your API key over here. So as you can see, this is what the API, the merchant ID that you're going to use. Okay, now you have to submit your site to get what, the merchant what, the API key. Sorry, you have to submit your site to get the API key. So type in your website name over here. Okay, so let's say my website name is what, buzu.com. Okay, so make sure that it is what, it is valid, meaning that it should be what, https. Okay, so just like this one over here. Okay, so and then the description of your what, of your site. So what do you do? So maybe digital store. So now I am going to what, I'm going to submit this one over here. So if I click on submit, as you can see, my API key is what, is created for me. Okay, so I can go ahead and then what, copy my what, my API key, or I can go to what, the dashboard. So as simple as this, you have your API key generated. So you can go ahead and copy your what, your API key, and then you can use it in your what, in your website. So let's say I want to go to my dashboard. Okay, so this is my what, my business what, account. Now I can click on this one, and I can see all my what, my settings. So as you can see, this is the history, this is the statistics. Okay, and then also this is what, the settings. Now with the settings, you have your API key over here. So as you can see, your website URL, your description, your merchant key. So you need this what, merchant key over here. So copy the merchant key, go back to your website. Okay, your your Cryptomus settings over here, put this merchant key over here. Okay, and then go back over here again, copy the what, the API key. So as you can see, copy API key, and then come back over here and then paste the API key over here. Okay, so now that you are done, you can change what, the description that you want to what, give to this one over. You can clean it and then give it any description that you want. And then also you can what, how much commission does the client what pay. So how much commission would the client pay for what, for this particular payment. So to be able to check all those commission and all those things, go to commissions over here. Okay, and then check all the commissions that payment commissions. Okay, so make sure that you check all payment what, commissions over here, so that you will not what, will not be deducted. Okay, so make sure that you give this one for the client to pay. Okay, so all this payment commission, put it over here where you want to the client to pay. So if you want to make it 3 2 whatever it is, just put it over here, and then click on this enable, and then click on what, save what, changes, to save your what, your change. Okay guys, so as you can see over here, your settings have been saved. Okay, so now our settings are saved, and we can go ahead to test our what, our payment system. So now let's go to our website over here, and then go to shop over here. Now we can pick any product that we want to what, we want to engage in. So let's say social media marketing. So we click on it, and then we click on add to cart over here. Now we can go ahead to proceed to checkout. Now make sure you fill in your billing details over here. So fill in all the billing details that you want to fill over here, and then we can what, as you can see, it says what, crypto payment over here. Okay, we can go ahead to place our order. So guys, as you can see, the payment form opens for us within 2 hours. If we don't pay, it will close. Okay, it will expire. So now you can go ahead to select your your currency that you want to pay with. So let's say we want to pay with USDT. Select it, select the the network that you want to pay with, and then click ahead, go ahead and click on pay. Now your your wallet address is generated for you to use this wallet address to pay. So copy this one and go to your any of your wallets that you have money over there, you have coins over there, and pay. Or you can use your app to scan this QR code over here, and then you can be able to go ahead and then and pay. Now the moment you pay, you're going to have redirect to your order confirmation page that you have successfully paid, and then you're going to see your payment over here. Okay, your payment will appear in your business wallet over here. Now I hope this tutorial helps you to be able to add a cryptocurrency payment to your website. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video. My name is Kobe. Bye bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that we grow together. Okay, so we are growing small. We are now 5,000 subscribers and above. Now please share this channel, and then let's grow together. See you in the next video. Bye bye.